KFC guys. At ayan guys. Wait lang guys. Asan ko yung iba? Ayan guys. Oh. Ayan sila dati guys. At ayan guys. Wait lang guys. Go guys. Bibili lang nyo ito guys. Malayo lang to sa ano lang to guys. Lahat ng mga Pilipino guys. Makikita lang nyo ito guys. Kasi guys, ayan guys. Ayan guys. Ayan. Ayan guys.